Meaning of fattism.
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 Fattism. Fattism refers to prejudice or discrimination against people who are overweight or obese. It can manifest in various ways, such as social stigma, workplace bias, and the portrayal of overweight individuals in media. Fattism can lead to negative outcomes, such as lower self-esteem, mental health issues, and physical health problems due to weight-related stress. Moreover, it can perpetuate the cycle of weight gain by creating barriers to accessing healthcare, employment, and other resources essential for leading a healthy life. Overall, fattism is a form of systemic oppression that requires awareness, empathy, and action to address.